Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Mathemagic, Class 5 NCERT. Does it look the same? Myself, Payal Gupta from KV Moscow is going to start this chapter. I hope you are going to like it. So student, let's start our topic today. Line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is more understood to you if you take out a paper and fold it into two halves. It will be formed a line between the two halves. This dotted line will be a line of symmetry. It will divide the object into two halves, into two mirror halves. Okay? Now, if a shape can be folded in half so that one half fits exactly onto of the other, then we say that the shape has got a line symmetry. It should overlap it. The fold is called a line of symmetry, and this shape has got a vertical line of symmetry. If the one fold overlaps the other, then the line of symmetry is there. Shape has line symmetry when one half of it's the mirror image of the other half. As you can see, there is a picture of a tiger which divides the picture into two equal halves, two mirror halves. Students, symmetry exists all around us, as many people see it as being a thing of beauty. It's a natural, God-gifted thing. Now, see, there is one more picture for you of a butterfly. Is a butterfly symmetrical? Yes, you are right. This butterfly has vertical symmetry. If we draw a vertical line between the butterfly, it will divide into two mirror halves. I think you have better understood what is being taught to you till date. Now, have you ever seen shells on the beaches? Yes, you must be. There is a shell. Now, please tell me, is the shell symmetrical? Yes, the shell has vertical symmetry. This beautiful Taj Mahal also has a line of symmetry. Now, I will show you some pictures in which you will have a vertical and a horizontal line of symmetry. There is a rectangle, a square, a circle, a triangle which has the line of symmetry, either vertical or horizontal. A ring also has a vertical symmetry, and this rangoli also has it. Students, let us talk about types of line symmetry. We have vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. Both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. And might it be possible that we do not have any symmetry in it? Let us take some examples of line of symmetry. Here you can see some horizontal line of symmetry, and here you can see both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Students, let's move ahead. Now we have some examples of not in the line of symmetry. You can see The shapes are similar as to the previous one, but the line that we have drawn is not in symmetry, either in rectangle or in other figures. Now, look at this pattern. This pattern has a dotted line in it, which divides the shape into two equal parts. But can we say it is a mirror half? Let's look at it. If we have overlapped the figure, then we can say that it is not completely covering the bottom part, isn't it? So we can say that no, they are not mirror half. If you fold this figure in along the dotted line, one half cover the similar half completely. So this figure is a mirror half. Now we will take some examples of mirror half. This star can be divided into two parts. This figure also can be divided into two equal parts. Now this figure is not a mirror half, because if you overlap this figure, the color will not be the same. Now this figure is a mirror half. This figure is again not a mirror half. Now tell me this one. This one is also not a mirror half. And this one is obviously no. So students, you have seen some examples where mirror half should also cover the complete bottom part. Now this is page 73 of your textbook. If you see amongst 15 figures in it, you will find there are only few figures that are symmetrical, that you can pause the figure and find out. As per me, yes, you are right. Among these figures, only 6 figures are symmetrical. They are 5, 6, 7, 8, 13 and 15. Only these 6 figures are mirror halves. Rest of the figures are not mirror half. Now we shall have a look at the alphabets which are in the line of symmetry. A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y are in vertical symmetry. Letter B, C, D, E, H, I, O, X are in horizontal symmetry. So students, I hope you can find out some likewise in now. Look at the figures. You have to do these two activities in your notebooks today, and we will discuss about 1/4, half, 1/3 and 1/6 turns in this chapter in the next class. By the time, do both of these activities in your notebook, in which you have to draw the another half of the figure. I hope students you liked and you learned what I want to teach you. Thank you. Bye-bye.